All right, welcome back. So this is another code.org CS Discoveries. And we're looking at lesson 6, random numbers, and this one's called random arcs. So it says in the scene below, all it is are just a bunch of arcs that look alike. Not very exciting. Make the scene more fun by randomizing different properties of these arcs. So we can see that they're all just kind of look the same. Now, they don't really tell you exactly what you need to change. It says just randomize the position and angles of each of the arcs. Run your code multiple times to see how the images change each time you run it. This is another great tool for the random generator, okay? Because you can change the way the arc looks. You can change its location, different things like that. I'm just going to go ahead and change how they look. I'm going to keep them in that location. I'm just going to go ahead and change this last value here. And we're just going to do 1 to 360. And let's just see one of those. Yeah, that's kind of cool. So let's add another one. We'll do the same thing. Let's see what those look like. Yeah, notice how they're all different because each of these randoms is going to choose a different number. So when it runs, it's going to pick a number between 1 and 60. When this one runs, it's going to pick a number between 1 and 60, and this one as well. And when I add these last two, it will do that as well. And so those numbers are going to be different. And then obviously, then the arc will be different as well. So now when we run this, we can see that they're all different. And sometimes when they run, they might be pretty close because it happened to pick a number that's very close to each one of those. But each one is running and picking a different number between 1 and 360. And if you want, you can go ahead and change the positions as well. Just use the random number. You can go ahead and do that. But this is kind of how you use the random number, and this will get you through this. It's just creating the random arcs, and it's going to create it like that. All right. Hopefully that helps you, and good luck with your coding.